beautiful souls. So I have new dies from Kokorosa that I picked out, and I'm very, very excited about the dies. The first one is this itty bitty one here. It's like these little tiny leaves. It's like a flourish. I love small dies. So that's one of them. I have this die set here. It's a dress with a hat. It's pretty much an outfit. So I'm gonna see what I'm gonna create with that. I have these two beautiful border dies. Aren't they pretty? And this one, last but not least, is one of my favorites. This actually right here is my favorite, this ornate die. This oval one here. It's a gatefold die. You can do so many things with this. So using this die, I went ahead and created this card here. What I like about this die is that it doesn't cut all the way through, and you can create these elaborate cards. I will come back on another video showing this embellished. And I created this one using this die. This does perforate, and this is great too, because then you can stagger them and stack them up like that. So that's what I did with this one thus far. Again, I will come back to show it embellished. And then, of course, I will come back to share what I did with this one. And what I will do with this one also. Okay? So, come back to see how these got embellished and what I've done with these. So, thank you for joining me today. Wishing you all the very best. Let's share, be fair, be filled with love, and love one another. Take good care, everybody.